What is up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a fantastic Friday. And today we're going to be doing a walking tour of Mission Beach. Now, we just did a video touring the Ocean Beach Pier, followed by a tour video of the Ocean Beach town. For that, we did a tour of Imperial Beach and Coronado Beach. Now we're going to be doing Mission Beach, and then probably next episode we will be doing Pacific Beach. Now, Mission Beach, if you're someone who doesn't give a shit about nightlife, then probably Mission Beach is going to be the place that has the most energy. Mission Beach is the beach town that's full of games, activities, rides, mini amusement park. They basically got everything to do at Mission Beach for people of all ages, whether you're young or you're old, or if you just want to relax on the beach or play volleyball, or if you want to actually go and chill at a restaurant. Mission Beach has all of that. In this video, we're going to take a walk and I'm going to show you guys all around Mission Beach, and I hope you guys enjoy. They do got a t-shirt store there, which has some pretty good prices.
Come on in and pick out your hoodie. Only $9.99. Right here.
I'd say this is probably more party atmosphere than Pacific beaches even. I believe that this boardwalk connects. It goes all the way from here to Pacific Beach, going the other way, of course. It's a long walk, that's for sure. Like, I still want to get in the water right now. So unfortunately, I have a mission right now. A mission here at Mission Beach. And another problem is I got nowhere to keep my stuff at the moment. People are doing some Mary Jane. what they were doing over there. You can see Ocean Beach Pier from here. So close, but yet so far. Yeah, it may be close, but you gotta drive all the way around the Mission Bay to get to here, so not so close necessarily. Yeah, a good activity a lot of people do is they'll rent bikes and ride up and down the boardwalk, and that's a fun experience. Yeah, there are a lot of things to do in San Diego. It's nice. Alright, over there they got volleyball and stuff. Nothing too crazy, but I think that's pretty much it. I guess we can go into the mall over there. I guess we can go and check that out, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, here we are at the shopping center. Here's where you can rent bikes and stuff. Good shots here. Got a roller coaster. Well, I already went to SeaWorld, so not really here for that necessarily. A lot of stuff for kids if you have kids. Here's the roller coaster line. Yeah, we're pretty much back to where we started. Well, unfortunately, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please leave your feedback down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.